Hey, it's Chris Allingham with the Virtual Weber Bullet, reminding you that Weber Smoky Mountain Smoke Day number 20 will be celebrated on Memorial Day weekend 2024. I'm out here in the garage with my smokers. As you may or may not know, I moved the Virtual Weber Bullet from San Jose, California up to Santa Rosa, California, where I grew up as a kid. And I still haven't unpacked everything. As you can see, I've got this is my smoker right here that I use all the time, my 18-inch Weber Smoky Mountain. I've got another 18-inch sitting here. I've got a 14-inch sitting over here. I've got a Jumbo Joe sitting over here. And even off to this side, there's a 20-inch smoker over there. And in that cabinet, there's also another 14-inch smoker. I'm overflowing with smokers. They've got to go. No, actually, I'm not selling those. But we are selling these t-shirts for Weber Smoky Mountain Smoke Day. I will step back here a little bit and give you a better view of that. And you can see this is one of those annual Patrick Carlson designs that he's so good at. We got the Smoky Mountain cooker radiating with beauty and heat and smoke. And you can get these online at teespring.com. I'll put a link into the description of the video. They're just $24.99. You can get them in any color you want as long as they're black this year. And they come in sizes from small to 5XL. And if you need tall sizes, we have talls from large to 4X large. So that's helpful for some people. And also, Teespring is much easier to order if you're outside the US. So I know some of you folks have been kind of frustrated in the past with trying to get your hands on these if you were in Europe or Canada, but they're more readily available this year from Teespring. So check out the link in the video. You can order these now. They're available. They come pretty quickly, but you do want to get your orders in so that you have them in time for Memorial Day weekend. Now, as you probably know, or maybe you don't know, Smoke Day is the invention of one of our board members years ago by the name of Joel Keys. And Joel said, hey, we should get together on one day of the year and celebrate our enthusiasm and love for the Weber Smoky Mountain cooker. So we've been doing that every year for the last 19 years, and this will be the 20th year that we celebrate that. So feel free to join us. All you have to do is grill something, barbecue something on Memorial Day weekend and share your photos with us at the Virtual Weber Bulletin Board. We'll put a link out here for that. We have a special subforum dedicated to Smoke Day discussion. So if you want to go out there and post what you're going to cook on Memorial Day weekend and then come back and share with us what you did cook by posting your photos, we'd love to see them. So I hope you can participate. It's Weber fun, Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker fun, and just a way for us to, share our love for this great little Weber Smoky Mountain cooker. Now, if you don't have a Smoky Mountain cooker, that's okay. You can use any other Weber grill that you want, or a pellet smoker, whatever you want. And if you're not even a Weber owner, that's okay too. You can join us in the fun. We don't really care. It's just really about having fun on Memorial Day weekend and smoking something that you'll enjoy. So once again, Weber Smoky Mountain Smoke Day 20 will be celebrated on Memorial Day weekend 2024. I'll put a link here on the screen to a subforum you can check out at the Virtual Weber Bulletin Board. Order your t-shirts now, and we'll look forward to seeing what you cook on Memorial Day weekend at the Virtual Weber Bulletin Board. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.